Hey, hi there, this is Murali Sundaram, your happiness coach. In this video, I'm going to share with you one question asked by one of my community member. How to stop overthinking? Are you someone struggling with this challenge of too much of non-stop nonsense happening inside your head and you don't know how to handle that? Then this video will be of great help to you. So let's understand first overthinking, or let's understand first about thinking itself. Okay, from where does these thoughts arise? Are we manufacturing the thoughts? No, it is just streaming inside our head. It is only showing up in our head. So number one is how do you stop overthinking? Only when you become aware that I am not the producer or manufacturer of thoughts. It is only showing up. So that's the first awareness. And number two, just imagine you are standing on a bus stop, okay, and it's a peak hour traffic, and the huge traffic is going up and down on both the sides, okay, and you will see varieties of automobiles and vehicles, scooter, cycle, car, lorry, tanker, varieties of things, okay. Now when you are standing there on the bus stop, you are waiting for your bus to come, yes or no? Okay. Or will you just jump onto anything that comes in front of you? Will you just jump into the car and then to the lorry and then to any other vehicle? No, right? You will stand there in the bus stop until your bus comes. Yes or no? So similarly, in your thought train or in your thought station or the thought stop, go there and stand and observe all the thoughts that are flowing through and pick and choose the thought which you want to really pick it up and start acting on it. That's the right way to handle the overthinking. But the challenge is not that. The challenge is, Murali, I don't know when it is happening. I'm not even aware that I'm even overthinking. After a long time, only I realize that I'm thinking a lot and I've suddenly lost too much of time in my life. Because suddenly I was doing a work and I went into my thought train and suddenly half an hour is gone, 1 hour is gone and I have not completed my job. Has it happened to you? And another side effect that happens is if you start thinking too much, or every thought also sucks the oxygen inside, okay, which you're breathing. So obviously you feel very tired, you feel very fatigued, and whenever you don't have oxygen, your decision making goes wrong. You feel very, very upset. You don't know what to do. So that's the reason why one simple practice to develop the awareness that you are not the producer of thoughts. You just have to stand in the bus stop and witness the thoughts. So for that, you need to practice a very simple technique called doing nothing technique, DNT technique. Which is the right time to do the technique? Any time where you are comfortable to sit in one place, switch off your mobile phone, okay, and remove all the gadgets around you, sit in one comfortable place and sit for 10 minutes doing nothing. That means you are not checking your mobile, you are not checking anything else, you are just sitting in a sofa or a cushion or a chair doing nothing literally. Do you think it's possible? Sometimes some of my practitioners whom I taught these things, they said only 10 minutes looks like 10 hours for me to practice it. Okay, that's the feedback they gave in the first 1 week, because the mind will scream at you. Because you will suddenly find your hands becoming fidgety, your legs are shaking, you don't know what to do. Because why? Because we are continuously doing something in our life, and suddenly when you put a stop over there, the whole body starts, it's like a withdrawal syndrome happens. Okay? But doing nothing is one of the most simple and very, very powerful technique to develop the awareness inside us that we are not our thoughts, and we can become the witness of our own thoughts itself. If you think 10 minutes is very, very difficult, okay, if you think 10 minutes is too long time for you, start practicing for 1 minute. Start from there. If you are able to sit for 1 minute doing nothing, sit chumma, in Tamil we say sit chumma, okay, it's not actually very easy to sit chumma or doing nothing, just sit there, do nothing. Try it for 1 minute. If you are successful for 1 minute, then add another minute and do it for 2 minutes, and then 3 minutes, and then 4 minutes, and see how long you can. extend that, okay, until you don't get fidgety, until you don't get, nagging, irritating, and something like that. So try this technique and share your experience in the comment box. And if you have any questions, doubts, go ahead and post your questions, and I'll be very happy to read your questions and I will answer you. Thank you very much for watching. This is Murali Sundaram, your happiness coach. Bye bye.